Hey everybody, in this video we're going to sous vide cook a flat iron steak. I ordered ribeyes and I guess the store was out of them, so the delivery came. This was what was in there, so we're going to try doing flat iron for 2 hours at 130 degrees, and then we'll do a nice sear with some butter, and I'll see how it turns out here. I think it's going to be pretty good. So I've got our steak here, and we're just going to salt it and do both sides here. And we get it vacuum sealed. And while I'm doing this here, I've got my water bath heating up to 130 degrees. Alright, so we got it vacuum sealed and got it in the rack with some weights on top of it so it can't float. And now we get our cooker to 130 degrees and we'll cook it for 2 hours. Then I'll use my torch here and we'll just sear it with some butter and cut it up, and we'll show you what we got. Alright, so that beep indicates that we're at temperature. I'll go ahead and lower it in the bath here. And make sure we get it covered here so it can't float out. And then we'll just be back here in 2 hours and we'll do our sear, and hopefully it turns out good. Alright, so our 2 hours is up. Let me get this out of the way here and get the meat out of it. And then people say you should let it rest. I'm not going to do that this time, so no need to comment on that in the comments. I'm just doing this kind of quick for the video here. So, the bag out, and just get the bath out of the way here. Alright, so I'm going to get out of the bag, and then we'll sear it and chop it up and show you here. I think it's going to probably turn out pretty good. Alright, so there's our piece of meat right here. And with the camera. And then what I'm going to do to what I'm going to do to sear it. We'll set it there. My torch, and I'll put links on Amazon to the torch and the other stuff here. And just fair warning here, this torch is not a toy. Up a little bit and throw some butter on it. Alright, it's good for that side. We'll flip it over. And I'm going to run the other side through some butter here too. My piece melted here. Usually what I do is I just take one big piece of butter and flip it, but I was trying to be efficient for the video, so I did two, but got some butter on it anyway, so it should be fine. This torch is kind of intense here. Definitely got to be careful. Smarter people may not use it in the house, but I like to stay a little bit dangerous. Alright, so now that it's seared, nice sear on both sides. And like I said, some people might let it rest. I'm not doing that. I'm aware I'm not doing it, so you can just save the comment on that. We'll go ahead and slice it up and show you here how it turned out here. All right, and I'll cut the rest of it up here off camera and just save time here. I'm not trying to waste anybody's time more than they already have if they made it this far into the video. But anyway, so that's a flat iron steak here at Sous Vide, 130 degrees for 2 hours. And it looks like it turned out perfectly. I might even try a little piece here. But a piece I keep on the cutting board. All right, they say that fifth time's the charm here. All right, there's a little piece I can taste. So, oh wow, that's like perfect. It kind of just melts in your mouth, barely even have to chew it. That is delicious. If I can zoom in here, make sure you get a nice close-up of how well it actually turned out. And then, man, that's really good. I can't wait to actually dive into the rest of this here. So I'm gonna wrap the video up so I can eat. I'm starving. As usual, if you're going to be mean in the comments, at least try to be funny. And I guess until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.